on, guys? So we are prepping the Supra for Pocono Raceway in September, and I'm here with Justin Weber. He also has a Supra, and unfortunately he also owns a Mustang.
Wow.
He was actually asking that he was surprised that I wasn't already filming, waiting for him to show up and just start ripping on his Mustang. I don't think he hit anyone on the way here because there's no blood on the front of the car, so that's a plus.
I went to the car wash.
Yeah, he washed it off before he got here. So far we've pulled off the front wheels and checked all the suspension, and then decided to start cleaning the Supra calipers, which was that company? Black Magic Tire Shine does a really good job getting the brake dust off of the calipers if they're powder coated, and it didn't hurt the sticker, so that's a plus. So now we're going to drain the diff fluid, and then I'm going to take a sample from the transmission and make sure there isn't metal shavings in that as well. All right, so we got the diff fluid changed, and didn't look terrible, which is good because it's a Torsen, so I was afraid it was going to break. And we changed the oil. That got done, and we checked the training fluid, and I'm running the Redline shockproof, and it didn't have any aluminum in it at all or anything, so that's good. So I think my shifting issues with R154 are directly related to it being a direct mount instead of a tripod style, and the homemade extension for it. So that's probably my issues with that, why I can't go fast from second to third. But we're gonna put some oil in it and take it for a drive, and hopefully it's okay. So everything seemed to go okay with the car. We took it for a ride to go look at Justin's Supra. He's having a mass airflow issue, or a map sensor issue. He's running the Pocono. I don't remember who makes that, but his map sensor's kind of jacked up, and it won't do like under 50% throttle very well. So I had a JDM map sensor here, and that didn't do the trick. So he's waiting for the new one to come in from the Pocono whatever company. But so we did the diff fluid. That went well. Took it for a drive. It seemed fine. It didn't have any issue with both wheels spinning. Nothing, no metal in the fluid, no metal in the transmission fluid. It changed the oil. That was all good to go. Checked all the suspension, so she should be good to race in September. Just a little dirty. She needs cleaned up. But while we had the wheels off, we cleaned up the brakes. We kept getting sidetracked though, because I plan on redoing the garage. Similar to Ryan from Pure Functions garage, I'm gonna get another toolbox. It's gonna go here. Tall cabinet here, small cabinet there, small cabinet there, tall cabinet here. So we got the TV mounted and everything, so pretty happy. Just need to get the cabinets and the extra toolbox. But yep, so yeah, pretty happy with how the car's doing with the rear diff. I'm still going to OS Geiken. It's already paid for, just waiting for it to come in. And then still eventually replacing the transmission, because I want a 6-speed. And I want something I'm not gonna have to worry about when I try to go for 1,000+ horsepower. But that's gonna be it for this one. I am gonna go watch some hockey, and I'll catch you guys later.